Don't cry now.
Urgira bayireberaho n'amesho gabo mutandweji yabaho mukasheshekera izuba sha mukaga gwiciro Butandweji abiri mu basi ibiri ya Nile Star Coaches namba ubafa mukaga M na X Platinum basi namba ama 0 uteireho na motoka yebikwejo namba yubaka mukaga inamushanju cha ya Kiryandongo Sugar uteireho nendijo motoka ya Toyota Safu namba chaga o 5 aba 0 mushanju Rashidi Mugisa umuturage wa Kigumba nagira ngo ahuriro rwari rwinzi umukiro ati nko rukwirkanga hamwanya agashanga motoka ina zitomerene abantu abarukurenga umuruma kumyana batatsine magara Ondijo muturage Sam Ogweta kandi umushomesa ari Kiryandongo Intensive SS awe nashobora ngo basi ya Platinum Ebereneza Kampala hamwe na Nile Star bus yo Ebereneza umuruguru kandi nashobora ngo butandwe beireho banyuma ya Platinum basi ukugezaho kwingura basi ya Nile bus ekerete zatomerana busobwantama.
Two buses collided. One was from Vodo heading towards Kampala. A Platinum bus was heading towards Kampala, and then Nile coach was from Kampala going to West Nile. Then there was a small vehicle that was ahead the Platinum going towards Kampala also. When the Platinum wanted to overtake that vehicle, which is from Congo, then the Nile coach was also coming across the Titi Bridge, which is in Kigumba. Then the two buses collided, and then this small car from Congo also entered under the two buses that collided.
Accident. Ekubo bakolera tono terimala motoka zaffe zitawo kukolera teri highway etwala abantu bangi egenda munsi endala nga Sudan ne Congo.
Umushaki witu yakora makuraga abanyabuzare babagenzi baba batandikire kwetebekanisa kuzahirwaro kwihayo imbiri y'abagenzi.
I will see when my sister that bus from Adjumani at night at around 1. The bus come from Adjumani go to Kampala, when my sister go to Kampala, that's why I'm going to sister of mine go to us. Now for me now, I'm going to the hospital now. When I get to work.
Isaac Orama urchapason wentebe yakashatu abwigombora ya Kigumba nagira ngo nubharabe hafira abantu benzi abandi nyamwingi nabo bahonokere bari mu irware rukuru rya Kiryandongo.
We are here on the scene. A lot of life has been lost. It is very unfortunate and very many people are hospitalized. I request that people should be patient on the road. Let's be patient and let us maintain discipline while driving on the road.
Polisi negira ngo butandweji erigirire aha kuvugise kimama banyuma y'abavugi ba buses zombi okwenda kwingurana omu buryo butahitsire. Omugambizi wa polisi y'ebyahanguuto omu ihanga Superintendent of Police Michael Kananura omu kihandiiko eki yashoza yashoborera oku polisi yirikangira aha mwanya okucungura abantu. Michael Kananura yashoborera ngu abantu abatunga obuhuta batwarwa aha irwariro rya Kirandongo Hospital hamwe n'amarwariro agandi agari omu kicweka eki kandi emibiri y'abagenzi yatwarwa omu kabafu. Akora akagasha kwa Innocent Atuganyira aba Tayari West TV.